Have you been annoyed by the System-data-sqlite DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze SQLite dependency and restore that missing file. Before we get into the manual guide for System-data-sqlite, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the System-data-sqlite, the official ADO.NET provider for the localized SQLite database engine. It bridges managed .NET applications to the high-speed localized SQLite core, facilitating high-performance localized data storage and retrieval in browsers and utility apps. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Errors involving System-data-sqlite DLL typically suggest that the SQLite files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the System-data-sqlite file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Most individual downloads of System-data-sqlite DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for System-data-sqlite. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved System-data-sqlite error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.